Rove off. Whoa, what is that?
Oh, right.
You joined some kind of gang?
Yes.
Okay. Hop in. Mina asahalohi atawara duoma ruble akta parida karibin akta hauna.
Did it work? Oh, shit.
Don't judge me, please.
I'm not. I'm just putting it all together. You, Charlie. That's why he's at Brakebills South. I mean, I had a lot of theories.
Shh. You're ruining it. Just tell me what you think when you look at me. And could you maybe try a Russian accent?
You didn't want to...
This is what I miss the most. So, your turn.
It's her.
It's your memories. Well, anything you want to say?
I just really fucking miss you.